Most people only know the winning version. In 1985, Mike Tyson was 19 years old. He had no family, no real home, no plan beyond the one man who had built him from scratch. Cus D'Amato took a scared kid out of juvenile detention and turned him into something. Not just a fighter, a person with a reason to get up in the morning. Then Cus died, and Tyson still had to fight. He went on to become the most feared heavyweight alive. Knockouts in under a minute, the whole world watching. Pure dominance on the outside. But Tyson himself said it. He was hollow, performing without a foundation, winning from a place that had nothing left underneath it. He kept showing up anyway, not because he felt ready, not because he was okay, because the decision to show up had already been built into him before the loss. That is the part worth sitting with. You do not build discipline when everything is good. You build it before you need it, so it holds when everything falls apart.